at West Oaks Farm Market in Winchester, Virginia. Today it's all about celebrating food, producers, farmers, and small businesses.
To us, an event like this is important because it embraces all that the Shenandoah Valley has to offer. It truly is root to table, so the folks who are farming and creating things on their homesteads, they're taking it to market here, they're showing all that the Valley has to offer.
When you cross-pollinate all these small businesses and the customers, they understand the impact that they have when they're buying local products. It just makes a healthier ecosystem for any community.
Just to be out here and have families all get involved, that's what makes it even more important. Kids can learn, you can kind of teach the next generation. You just don't know what's in your community until you get out to events like this and everybody gets together.